Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to review the best robot vacuums of 2024. If you are looking for an efficient and smart solution to clean your home, you are in the right place. Don't forget to watch this video before deciding which model is best for you. Our first model is the iRobot Roomba J7. This model stands out with its cleaning performance and smart features. Thanks to its powerful suction power, Roomba J7 provides effective cleaning on every surface from carpets to hard floors. There are several cleaning modes for pet hair, dust, and large dirt particles, ensuring that all surfaces in the home are perfectly cleaned. The navigation and mapping features are also very advanced. Thanks to its LiDAR and camera-based system, it recognizes obstacles and creates a detailed map of your home. So when you want it to clean specific areas, you can do it easily. In addition, thanks to its automatic charging feature, if the battery runs out during cleaning, it resumes from where it left off after charging. This makes the cleaning process uninterrupted. Thanks to its compact design, it can easily fit under furniture and clean effectively in tight spaces. With its large dust container, it does not require frequent emptying, thus requiring less maintenance. It can be controlled via smartphone app and works in harmony with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. It can be programmed to clean at specific times, so it can clean even when you're not at home. It also works very quietly, which allows it to clean without disturbing the home. Next up is the Samsung JetBot AI. This model stands out with its advanced technology and smart features. Thanks to its high suction power and different cleaning modes, it provides effective cleaning on all types of floors. This is a great advantage, especially for pet owners and families with small children. It recognizes and avoids obstacles with its artificial intelligence-supported navigation system. It knows and cleans every corner of your home with its detailed mapping feature. With its 90-minute runtime and automatic charging feature, if it runs out of charge during cleaning, it resumes from where it left off after charging. This allows large areas to be cleaned in one go. Thanks to its slim design, it easily reaches narrow areas. With its large dust container, it does not require frequent emptying, which means less maintenance. It can be controlled via smartphone app and is compatible with various smart home systems. With its programmable cleaning feature, it can clean at specific times. In addition, its silent operation does not disturb the home. Our third model is the Roborock S7 MaxV Ultra. This model stands out with its powerful cleaning performance and advanced technological features. Thanks to its strong suction power and advanced mop feature, it offers both sweeping and wiping functions. This is especially ideal for users who want their floors to be both cleaned and mopped. The LiDAR and camera-based navigation system provides detailed mapping and obstacle recognition. This makes cleaning more effective and efficient. With a long 120-minute battery life, it can clean large areas in one go. With its automatic charging feature, it resumes from where it left off after charging. Slim and compact design makes it easy to reach into tight spaces. With its large dust container, it does not require frequent emptying. It can be controlled via smartphone app and is compatible with smart home systems such as Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. It also has the ability to clean at certain times. It also works very quietly, so there is no disturbance at home. Our fourth model is the Eufy RoboVac 8 Hybrid. This model is ideal for those looking for an affordable and versatile robot vacuum cleaner. It provides effective cleaning on every floor with its powerful suction power and double turbofan system. Thanks to its mop feature, it can perform both sweeping and wiping, offering a versatile cleaning experience. With its advanced laser navigation system, it performs detailed mapping and recognizes obstacles. This makes cleaning more efficient. With 180 minutes of long battery life, it can clean large areas in one go. With its automatic charging feature, it picks up where it left off after charging. The slim design makes it easy to reach into tight spaces. With its large dust container, it does not require frequent emptying. It can be controlled via smartphone app and is compatible with smart home systems such as Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. It can clean at certain times with its programmable cleaning feature. In addition, it does not disturb the home thanks to its silent operation feature. In this video, we have reviewed the best robot vacuums of 2024. If you are looking for the most suitable robot vacuum for your home, you can choose one of these models. If you liked our video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video. See you in the next video. Bye.